toi is...
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wase Mzansi. Congratulations are in order once again to Uliema for winning Big Brother Mzansi season 6. And guys, Nkosi yami, I am so happy for Uliema. We deserve a little meter. Yo, ngaze ngamjabulela Nkosi yami. Ngaze happy for the lilies kesana. And guys, winile Shemliema. Uwinile Uliema, and it's just so shocking. People are shocked. Hey, my Italians are fuming. Kesana, my Italians are spitting fire. My Italians are tough. Nagum donate, but right now, Sisekteni, Uliema is the winner of Big Brother Mzansi season 6. Maka kuhlulekile ngisho nokutibamba. She was happy. She was excited. Color guys, because yo Nkosi yami, this is beautiful to watch. This is just so beautiful. Uyayideserve little meter ugele, uyayideserve. Ukhombisele kulunga in the house sambona abamuntu lo right ngisho ebantwini o laba ngekho right kuye. So congratulations man to Uliema. Yay, we did it. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.